So now it's time to talk about the update records. So yes, I'm talking about the update statement. So the update statement is used to modify the existing record in the table. Of course, as you know, we have 6 records from students. So you know these are the records. Now I want to update this record. How? I'm saying I want to add the address in this field 6 ID. Now how can you do that? First of all, you need the update keyword, update, then table name. I'm saying student. I'm going to update the student table. Now I'm saying set value equals to, why I'm writing this to comma, because two quotation, sorry, because it's a string value. I'm going to add the string value, so that's why. If you have an integer value, then you can add it like this. Okay, now I'm saying XYZ Mumbai, but with using set, I'm saying set address. That means I'm saying I'm going to update the record students, and now I'm going to set the value, which value? This value in this column. But if you execute this query, it will update all the records, because you are not specifying that which address you are going to update. So that's why before doing this, or before updating any table, you have to use the where clause with unique ID. Now I am saying update record where SID equals to 6. As you know, this is the 6 ID. I am saying, oh please update, set the value XYZ Mumbai where the ID is 6. Now execute your query, control enter, and now show your query. Select static from students, control enter. As you can see, you have just updated the record Mumbai. So now try this. I am saying I'm going to update the record without where clause. So what happens if you use the update statement without where clause? So I'm saying update students, I'm saying set S address equals to, in this time I'm saying London, only London, without where clause. Now execute your query, control enter. Why I'm using control enter? Because this is a data grid, and you have 2 options to execute your query. Right click, execute your query, or press the control button and hit the enter button. If you are working on Oracle and some other databases, you may have some other interfaces or some other commands to execute your query. Now I'm saying select static from student, show me all the records, hit the enter. So now as you can see, you have updated the London to all your records, as you can see. Now this is the difference. So you have to specify which row you are going to update and which column you are going to update. For suppose if you want to update 2 columns, how can you do that? I am saying update the students, and now I am saying set S address equals to, for suppose I am saying New York, and now I am saying comma, and S city equals to, make sure, equals to New York. Okay, now control enter, execute your query, because it's saying double value. Now I am saying XYZ, enter. Sorry, you have to use the comma. Okay, now control enter. Now control static from students, control enter. So now as you can see, it's showing you the records, but without, you have just executed query without where class. So now I am saying update students, set as city, set city equals to, for suppose, London, and comma, I am saying that s address equals to UK, that means United Kingdom, and now I am saying where ID equals to 1. So now I am saying I'm going to update two columns. So as you know, these are the columns and these are the values, UK and London, and I'm going to update the record which has one ID. So now I'm talking about this one. So now control enter to execute your query. Okay, I have just executed. So now I am saying select static from students, control enter. So now as you can see, you have just updated the two records. So in this way you can perform the update statement. So I think this is enough for today. In the next session we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.